What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and today we have a whole bunch of tabs up. I've been meaning to only give y'all like 5 or 6 deals a day, but I mean, here we go with 47. All right, let's get into it. First up, we have Makita over at Home Depot, and their 40 volt kits are all buy one, get one. So you know what that means, right? You get a discount on this kit, but even with the discount, man, these 40 volt XGT tools are they so expensive. They just too expensive for me. I'm leaving it here for you guys that are interested in this. But look. Um, Now when it comes to the Makita line, the 40 volt tools mostly, like with the exception like the hammer drill, they're more powerful. So like if you can find 18 volt versions though that are close in Makita to like referencing the impact driver. But the real key difference between the 40 volt and the 18 volt line is that the 40 volt line is created for professionals. Lots of people think they're going to discontinue the LXT line with the 18 volt batteries. I don't think they're going to do that at all because all their competitors aren't doing that. Their competitors have two different lines. One is for like a handyman, a professional, and these are like construction grade. These are for people that are going to run these tools all day long and they constantly churn through batteries. So this is who that is for. But if you wanted to spend that extra money, here you go. But I will say this. Let's take, for example, I pulled some up. I just wanted to show you guys some examples. So let's take this kit, for example. This hammer drill, impact driver, 40 volt kit. Let's go look at the specs. So we go look at the specs. The hammer drill delivers 1,250 inch-pounds. And yeah, there's more things that matter, like the beats per minute, the speed settings, and all of that. But let's just look at terms in terms of torque. Then you have an impact driver that produces 1,950 inch-pounds of torque. Now, the Gen 3 M18 Milwaukee did 2,000, right? You get Master Force that does 2,000. Like, you getting all those pretty cheap. And if we come over here to Milwaukee, you can look before the buy one, get one. This kit is $399, right? And then that Makita is $459. You're like, well, Chris, just an extra $60 and I get 40 volts. 2.5 amp hour batteries, two 40 volt, 2.5 amp hour batteries. And over here, you get 5 amp hour batteries. All right. You're getting smaller tools also because once you plop these big giant batteries on this tool, it's going to be heavier and it's going to be a little bit bigger. Now, let's go over here and look at I had to pull up in different tabs because it was not trying to show me what the drill was. But if we go over here and look at this, we see that the new impact driver, the Gen 4, is still 2,000 inch-pounds of torque because why go more? It really is unnecessary. Flex is like, yeah, we got 3,000, 2,500. It's unnecessary. I'm gonna break the screws. All right, and then we have the hammer drill, which produces 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. 5-year warranty with the Milwaukee, 3-year warranty with the Makita, and again, the drill does 1,250. So that's what I'm saying. 39,000 beats per minute. That's actually pretty wild. The 39,000 beats per minute. I don't even think that the Milwaukee has that number for the beats per minute. No, it does. Oh, 33,000 blows per minute. I said beats per minute. I don't know why I'm thinking about heartbeats. But yeah, blows per minute, 33,000. That's still, man, the other ones, yeah, it's better. But again, you spending way more money. You spend an extra $60, but again, you in that line and it's going to be harder to get those batteries. Those batteries cost more. You're going to have a heavier tool. It's up to you. I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm just trying to say that there are alternatives. Moving on, let's look at the mid-torque impact wrench. So this mid-torque impact wrench, $548. Let's look at the specs. 810 foot-pounds of nut busting torque and 560 foot-pounds of fastening. That's pretty much best in class right there. I think the new DeWALT might do something very similar. But 810 of nut busting and 560 of foot-pounds. So let's go over here to Toolbarn and we'll look at the Metabo HPT. The reason I'm pulling up Metabo HPT because they're also 36 volt, 40 volt, very similar. So this is $189. And you also get a free battery too, a free 4 amp hour battery. So which one are you going to do? Let's look at the specs. 568 foot-pounds of tightening, which is actually more than the Makita, and 774 foot-pounds of nut busting, which is, what is that, 25, 35 foot-pounds less. Okay, 3,400 blows per minute, and I'm pretty sure that Makita kind of blows that out, right? Oh, 2,900 impacts per minute. Wow, so the Metabo HPT actually does more. So, 548, 189, and this was even crazy a month ago because you got a charger and two 4 amp hour batteries. So, for the same 189, but there you go, 189, plus this has a lifetime warranty as opposed to a 3-year warranty over here with the Makita. Plus this has, now I was going to give it to the Makita and say, well, they had those special modes that had like the auto stop and all that. But so does the Metabo. The Metabo HPT, rather, has the auto stop system that prevents breaking bolts from over tightening. The Makita do it loosening too. I don't know that the Metabo does it loosening. I've never tried it. I didn't even know it was an option. I need to go read that manual. It's IP56 rated for dust and water protection. And again, you can use this with 36 volt batteries, or you can plug it into the wall using the adapter. It's an all around more versatile, much better value. Okay. So again, I'm leaving this up here for those of you that are into the Makita 40 volt line, but I just wanted, for those of you that were interested and maybe thinking about diving into it, because I saw a lot of people on Reddit having questions, there are other alternatives that are better, much better bang for your buck, in my opinion. So with that said, let's move on. I wanted to show you guys this CXT. This is their 12 volt line. This is on clearance at Home Depot for $98. So there you go. Don't pay $119 for it online. It's $98 in store, or you could buy it online, then return it and get the price difference, right? All right, so there you go there. Then the Makita has this 12 volt little small circular saw that's similar to the DeWALT that everyone was sweating last holiday season, which I myself also bought and I love it. But I will say this looks more ergonomically friendly. I do love Makita's ergonomics. I really do. And Metabo HPCs and DeWalt's. I dislike Milwaukee's ergonomics the most. I think everybody else has better ergonomics than them. But this is only $59, and people were eating up that DeWalt, again, myself included, last year for $79. Incredible deal right here, $59. And if you wanted the kit, $119, comes with a 2 amp hour battery, hard case, and a charger. $119, that's not that bad. So wanted to show you that as well. Moving on over to CPO Outlet. I know I brought this up yesterday, but I wanted to show you guys these two DeWalt deals. $158 for this die grinder here. It's normally $229 or something like that. I think that's what it is at Home Depot right now. So nice little discount there. And if you bundle it with this bad boy, this barrel grip jigsaw over at Home Depot, it's also $2 something. This will bump you over to $300 and you get a free 4 amp hour battery. There you go there over at CPO. And these are brand new tools. These are not refurbished or anything like that. I also want to remind you that Tools Direct over at eBay is still having it 30% off. I don't know when it's going to end. They're just calling it a fall sale now. I don't know when it's going to end. Their inventory goes in and out every single day. So they get new stuff, old stuff. Not old stuff, but they get new products in every day. So keep checking that. This is from yesterday. Home Depot had this for $39. But this is $39 with an extra 30% off plus Rakuten. That is one of the beauties of dealing with eBay, to have Rakuten. Rakuten, if you don't know, is a free cashback extension. You use my link in the description to sign up. You have to use my link though. If you don't, you won't get the bonus $30. Use my link in the description, sign up, and then make a purchase of at least $30. So this right here was going to give you 30% off. So it'll be under $30 here. So don't use it on this. But if you want to use it on, say, not this either, because we're going to talk about that, say this right here, and this can be had for $195 with the 30% off at Rakuten, $165 plus the 1% cash back, and there you have it. There you go. This is super cheap. Just remember from Tools Direct, always inspect your stuff immediately. Don't just leave it sitting in a box for a month. Check it immediately because these are returns. Somebody might have swapped something out. Something could be missing. Just check and make sure everything is there, that it works, and then you be a happy camper there. All right. So moving on. This is just, I'm bringing this up for those of you that might look at this and be like, oh man, it's cheap. That's good. 30% off plus the right to cash back. Maybe yes. If you can get the right to cash back plus the 30% off, but I would probably not use that for this. I wouldn't buy this M18 fuel oscillating tool from eBay. I would actually get it from Home Depot. All right, so there are a lot of deals with the M12 fuel. Now, I know some of you don't like, I've heard people complain they don't want the M12 because they only have M18 batteries, which I understand that, but these M12 deals come with good batteries, okay? They come with 4 amp hour or 6 amp hour batteries, and to me, this deal right here is incredible because once you've added your free gift here, which is the most expensive one, this 6 amp hour battery, this thing becomes $99 for this whole kit. Okay, $99 for the kit, all right? You cannot beat that. You're getting a 4 amp hour battery, charger, case, and the oscillating tool. And guess what? The M12 is better than the M18. Watch my video up here. It's better, okay? It's less vibration. I mean, it's better, mainly because it can get in tighter places. It has a smaller battery. But they perform pretty much the same. But this edges out just a little bit. And you will not be disappointed. So do not get this from eBay. I'm going to exit out because I don't want you to even be tempted. Get it from there. But if you're adamant, you just gotta have a M18 oscillating tool. Here you go. You see this is $235 right here for the oscillating tool and the drywall cutout tool. Only $339, but that is on a buy one get one there. You can also get the oscillating tool plus a jigsaw. Add one, it's a buy one get one. Add the battery, that drops it down. I don't know to what because it's not going to show me, but you can do that. We know the rotary tool, and they also have the router on a buy one get one as well. So that is it for today. Those are all the tool deals. If I have helped you save some money today, feel free to give me a like, comment, say thank you, Chris, subscribe, and share the video with your brethren. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys next time.